Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.3 question number 1. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? For this, we have to find the surface area of the two adjoining figures. Let us find the surface area. Let us find here. Here you see that the first figure is a cuboid because it is given is length, breadth and height here, right? And the second figure is a cube of length 50 centimeter, right? Therefore, we'll find the surface area of the cuboid. Surface area of the cuboid. Surface area of the cuboid. And we know that the surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 into length into breadth plus length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. This is the surface area of a cuboid, right? So here you will find that it is 2 right? Length is given here as 60 centimeter. Length is 60 and breadth is 40 centimeter. 40 plus breadth is again 40 centimeter into height is 50. Height is 50 centimeter plus height is 50 centimeter and length is 60 centimeter. I will find the area of this cuboid, that is 2 into 4 is 24, 2, 4, 0, 0 plus 4 into 5, that is 20, 1, 0, 2, 0 plus 5 is 30, 0, 0, right? Now if you add all these, then we are getting 2 into, add this one, 0, 0, 0, that means it is 0, 0, 0, 0, it is also 0, 0, 0, 4, that is 4, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 7, that is 7,400, 2 into 7,400. If we multiply this one, 7,400 into 2, then we are getting 2, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2, 4, 8, and 7, 2, 14, that is 14,800. Therefore, we are getting 14,800, 14,800. The unit will be centimeter square. That is, the surface area of the cuboid is 14,800 centimeter square. Now, we will find the total surface area of the cube. This is a cube. Total surface area of the cube. Total surface area of the cube. Total surface area. Total surface area. Total surface area of a cube of this cube. We know that surface area of a cube is 6 into L square. 6 L square. Therefore, we are getting 6 and length of the cube is given as 50 centimeter. That is 6 into 50 into 50 centimeter square. Therefore, we are getting, if we multiply this one, 35 is 25 with 6, 25 with 6, then 6 5 is 33, it is 0. 6 to the 12 plus 3 is 15, 150, 1, 5, 0, and there are two zeros, 1, 2 centimeter square. Therefore, the surface area of the cube is 15,000 centimeter square, and surface area of the cuboid is 14,800 centimeter square. Here you see that the surface area of the cuboid is less than the surface area of the cube. Here you see that surface area of the cuboid is less than the surface area of the cube, Therefore, you can say that the cuboid box will require lesser amount of material. Therefore, you can say, hence the cuboidal box will require the lesser amount of material, lesser amount of material to make. Right? Here you see, we found the surface area of the cuboid and surface area of the cube. We found that the surface area of the cuboid is less than the surface area of the cube. Therefore, you can say that the cuboid will require lesser amount of material to make. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.